In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see QC on Kakobuy. We'll walk through exactly where to find your quality control photos so you can review your items with confidence before they ship. Start by heading to the Kakobuy homepage in your browser. Once the site loads, look toward the top right corner of the page. That's where your account controls live. Move your cursor over the profile icon there. When you hover, a menu will appear with a few options related to your account and orders. From that menu, click on Warehouse. This takes you to the storage area tied to your account, where items you've purchased are organized before they're packed and sent out. Think of it as your personal holding area. It's the best place to manage what's currently in processing and to check the status of items that are ready for review. Inside Warehouse, look for the option to view QC photos for your items. This is the section that shows the actual pictures taken in the warehouse. Open the QC photos for the specific item you want to inspect. Take your time here, zoom in on stitching, logos, materials, and any fine details that matter to you. Good lighting and multiple angles are common, so flip through each image to get a complete sense of the condition. If something looks off, comparing multiple shots can help you decide your next move. While you're on this page, you can also open Express Info for shipping-related details once your package is moving. It's useful for tracking progress and understanding where your parcel is in transit. Additionally, open order details to see the item's full record, including specifications and the timeline around when QC was captured. These two sections complement the QC photos by giving you context on status and logistics without leaving your warehouse view. That's the full flow. Go to Kakobuy, hover over the profile icon, click Warehouse, choose the QC photos for your item, and, when helpful, check Express Info and order details for added clarity. Follow these steps each time you want to verify an item before it ships.